wanted to talk to you guys tonight about when dealing with customers that call you right away, pick up the phone and say your company name, who you're with, give them that reassurance that you're going to be able to take care of their issue right away. Find out if it's lawn mowing. I like to start out by asking them, when was the last time your lawn was serviced? Then I want to ask, how big is your yard? You know, I ask a number of qualifying questions. I want to zero in and focus exactly where they are in the service area, how tall their grass is, how big their yard is, how often they want the service, and I want to give them a basic agreement where they will allow me to service them on a regular basis. So if it's hedge trimming, I want to know I can come out 3 times a year or 2 times a year. I want to know in all the different services I provide, I don't write up a contract, I write up a agreement where they can let me know before the next service that they are no longer with me. But that I'm going to come out and service them one more time if they did not let me know within 24 hours before the service. Then I'm going to mow their yard, I'm going to trim their hedges, or whatever the agreement is. I've picked up over 20 properties this past month so far. I'm looking to pick up probably another, I want to say at least 50 before the end of the year that are not of the 400 properties I've done in the past year. I'm looking to grow my business, but I'm going to do it by picking up the phone, but I'm going to also do it by a lot of times giving them something free. Some companies charge for trimming the sidewalks, the edging. Some people charge extra for, I don't know, overgrowth. I just charge a flat fee usually. Okay? If I go out there, I'm going to charge you a flat fee typically. If it's same day service, I charge a little bit more because you need it done right away. Because maybe the city called you, or maybe the city called the client and said, hey, you know, I need my yard done today.